Grabe na LSS na kami dito kahapon pa yan guys. Simula nung narinig niya yan, palagi niyang pinapatugtog. Again? U, I, U, A, A, cheng, cheng. Wala.
Cheng cheng. Ting tang.
Cheng, cheng.
Ting.
na. 1, 2, 3,
That's
go.
not ching. Ting.
Sus!
It's not Chinese.
You really like that song? Agoy, grabe ang mga gusto na kanta ni Nathan guys. Mga regmap, mga jazz, hindi yung mga pangbata ba?
Potato chip song.
Yeah, and the potato chip song.
That's also jazz.
Ano nyo good yan? Potato chip song? Na. Simula Amsterdam, pauwi ng bahay. Yan ang mga kanta ang patugtog namin. Influenced by the father. Kaya ganyan ang mga gustong kanta ni Nathan guys. Po tayo sa makapati kayo ma-LSS na dyan ba? Laksong syndrome guys. Oo ano nga yun? Andito po tayo sa city kasi bibili na kami ng ano ni Nathan, brief at saka ng kanyang medyas, pati medyas po ni Daniel at ng coat ni Nathan. Kagabi pa yun pag uwi sa bahay, hey Google din siya, play witch doctor. Mag-grocery din po tayo pagkatapos natin dito. Uy, baby love, there's car. Lil Varden, everyone.
Are we right now? Right
What?
next to the living place of.
CR, do you want to go there? To have coffee? It's fine to me.
Then I need to ask him.
Yan. Nag-ano siya ba na inimbita niya kami. Nagpunta kasi siya 'di ba sa bahay. Kailan ba 'yon? Kailan siya nagpunta? Nung mga 3 days ago. Inaayos nila yung statue diyan, oh. Palakihin siguro nila ang ano ba, ang putotoy. Wala ba yung brief, guys, ha? First, C&A. Ito na nga, pupunta tayo kay CR. Ano daw, tinawagan siya ni Daniel, mga 30 minutes daw. Pwede na tayong pumunta, magligpit pa siguro siya, no? Alam nyo ba, minessage niya ako guys. Kay, nung huli na pinakita ko ang buhok niya ba, na-shock ako. Nanonood pa rin pala siya ng vlog. Dati, na ano ko na nanonood siya, kay sabi niya, minsan daw makapanood siya. Nag-message, alam nyo, sabi niya, thank you for showing the boat. Marites, ito si CR, nanonood ng vlog natin. Ano mang maintindihan niya na magtagalog man ako. Kalamig today, uy. Ito yung mga pa-outfitan dyan, oh. Diba? Siya lang nag-t-shirt. Sana all malakas ang loob. Dito tayo mauna. C and A. Magdala daw kami ng cake kay CR guys. Kaya magpa-coffee man siya. At saka shorts pala. Bilihan ko yan si Daniel guys. Mga shorts niya pang ano ba? Ano yan? Summer.
What is this thing?
Yeah.
It's a
You want to try?
kind of
Just bring a
fabric.
lot mahal so you can
Different
try.
kind of fabric.
Oh yeah. Ay, that's too short I think.
You're right.
Ayaw niya ng masyadong maikli na shorts guys. Yung mga papek-pek shorts. Meron siyang 5 shorts na i-try. You like that?
You know they're white and thin.
That's not bad, but it's for like when just at home.
Yeah.
Yeah. Get it? It's too small.
Yeah, but also it's
Yeah. It's going up. Yeah, not that one.
wide, and I have a 32 wide. So if I do large,
I think this is good.
then it's not good.
What do you think? You don't like
I need
it?
a belt because
Yeah.
this is very loose.
This one looks better.
Then the other one?
Brief niya guys. Maghanap tayo. Agoy-agoy nagtingin-tingin. Sana anong tinitingnan niya. That's for girls ha. With the princess. These are for boys. Look. With the Paw Patrol and the dinosaur. Muntik pa siyang magpili doon. Oh, you're looking for some socks. Here are the socks. Allah, Pikachu socks.
I want Pikachu.
I know that's not good. It's too low, baby love. Look. Ano man itong brief nila. Uy, pangit man ito sa pakiramdam. Yung parang paint nga siya, guys. Na pag i-plancha mo, masira to. Pero hindi good i-plancha, pero pangit sa pakiramdam ba? Like this, what I mean for you. But this is big. 100. This one you need for when it's raining at school. Look, guys, raincoat for Nathan. Do you like this or not?
Yeah.
Yeah? With all the dinosaurs in the world? Look, mahal. What do you think of the The coat.
That looks good.
Yeah. Dito tayo magtingin ng kanilang medyas at brief sa Hema. Different colors? Ay, kay pagbili mo pala different color na siya, guys. They said, if I don't want to be, like, super hard for me to fold your...
All the same color.
Yeah, all the same color. But I told them, my husband will tell me that it's fine because he is the one is folding it. This is for Nathan.
Indeed, because you want me to fold it sucks because you don't like it.
I don't like. Para tayong nag-ano ba, memory ba? Hanap-hanap kung anong kulay.
Nice briefs here. They're all the same color, so you don't have to worry with folding.
Ito mga ganyan. Maganda ang brief nila dito, guys. Oh. Guys, don't skip the ads. Baka naman, pang brief lang at saka pang medyas. Mag-ama ko. Alam nyo magkano ang nagastos natin ngayong araw? 120 euros lahat-lahat na. Ang nabili ni Daniel isang short at saka yung ano ni Nathan, yung coat niya. Tapos yung mga brief at medyas nila ito. 120 lahat.
Yeah, you know what's funny? The 4 tompus
Yeah.
is cheaper than 1 cappuccino in a restaurant.
Yeah. Pero makagilty magkain kay nagsimula na ba ako cooking? Hey Garnet, nagpailong ka nga ni. Unahan ko na kayo ba? Ha? Joke-joke lang ito, guys. Ito sila palagi talaga yan sila dyan. Magtambay, mga senior na naka-scooter. Mag-upo-upo po dyan, magmarites. Yan sila, mag-upo-upo lang. Mag-usap-usap. Palagi dyan talaga na pwesto. Punta na po kami sa barko ni CR. Hindi ako sure kung pa-vlog ako doon, guys. Mahiya ba ako?
1 year later.
Yun na yun. Tapos na. Siyempre, hindi na natin siya isali sa mga pamera-pera natin, guys. Tayo-tayo lang ito. Wag na kayong mag-asa na mag-vlog-vlog ako doon sa kanya. Look at that. Si Aling Mirna. Sino to siya? Who is she? She is the... Who is she, mahal? Do you know her?
No?
No? Rosha Cohen. Hanapin lang natin. Rosha Cohen. Hindi ako nag-vlog kasi makahiya magtanong, guys. Kahit pa na sinabihan niya ako na pwedeng mag-vlog doon. Mahiya pa rin ako. Kaya doon na lang tayo sa bahay mag-vlog-vlog. Abangan ang lulutuin ko mamaya. Masarap.
Why you go now for effort to the seat out?
I don't want to go there anymore, baby love. You want that again? That you sleep alone and mama is in the hospital? Let's not do that again. I don't want to be far from you and papa.
Mama is not sick anymore.
Yeah.
That's why Mama is not going to the sea.
Mama is not sick anymore. Mama was very sick, you remember?
And me?
You were not sick. You were with Oma.
Yesterday was I there and you were very sick or no when I was there?
I was very sick when you went there with me. And then we were eating ice cream, right?
When I was in your belly, are you sick?
No! I was not sick when you were in my belly. Hindi niya pa rin po yan nakalimutan. Hanggang ngayon, 2 years old ba siya? Mag 2 years na nangyari sa akin. Alam nyo din, guys, bakit ganyan. Malaki din yung impact ba para kay Nathan yung sa nangyari sa akin. Kaya hindi niya ako nakasama. Tapos nakita niya yung tsura ko. Ako yung mukhang may sakit po talaga ako, no? Kaya hindi pa mawala sa isip niya ba. Magtanong yan siya minsan. Kaya in-explain namin yan sa kanya kung bakit nangyari yun, na nagkasakit ako nung nasa tiyan ko si Lucas. Kaya narinig niyo, nagtanong siya kung ano ba, may sakit din ba ako nung nasa tiyan ko siya. Isipin niyo yun, 2 years old pa lang siya nun, pero hanggang ngayon maalala niya. Yes, bebe.
20 plus 20.
Is 40. Very traumatizing naman talaga ang nangyari sa akin, guys. Kita niyo yung nangyari sa mister ko na nagpa-therapy nga yan kahit sa akin. Grabe. Makaling. Tinata naman, guys, trauma sa kanya yung nakita niya ako sa ICU. He was afraid of me, mahal, right? Na nakita niya po yung mga ano ba, marami akong mga cord sa kamay ko. Ayaw niyang lumapit sa akin nung nasa ICU ako. Takot siya, guys. Tapos first time niya pong nahiwalay sa akin. Si Bianan ang katabi niya matulog. Tapos magtingin-tingin lang ako sa camera. Wala ka, oy. Malapit na kasi ang birthday ni Lucas, guys. Pagpasensyahan niyo na ha kung nababalik tanaw natin yung mga ano ba nangyari sa akin. Hindi maiwasan. Oh, tama na. Dito tayo, guys, sa Albertine. Magbili po ako ng karne at saka mga prutas ni Nathan. Kasi sarado ang ang mga butcher ngayon. Uy, they have 40% mahal. But this has egg. Apple pie. 2 of these is 6 euros. Let's buy. Meron na silang mayo mix, guys. May mayo tapos ketchup sauce. Wow! Very good! Kamot na siya. Maligo kami ngayon. Magpalit lahat ng damit pagdating sa bahay. Ni si Yard ba? Ang pusa niya doon, ang balahibo ng pusa. Hindi normal, guys. Sinatan ang allergy. Kaya ipanglagay ito lahat ng mga damit. Pati ang medyas sa labahan. Nag-promise ako sa kanya na pag makabalik kami dito, magbili siya ulit niyan. With fruits ba, pang baby good, pero gusto niya. Ay, that is with veggies. This one is with smoothie, with mango, and this one is pear, carrot and beetroot.
Yeah, these are also nice.
That one is nicer, bebe. There. This one, look, apple strawberry.
Mama,
You want this?
more
Or this one, apple peach and mango.
Mama, I like this one more.
What is that? Coconut milk and mango. You want that? Okay, then let's buy. Inabali ko si Daniel kay parang wala na tayong doon, coconut milk. 25 euros, guys, for this one.
Why
Ito naman
is
15.
that for the coconut milk?
Because we need that. I need that for cooking. May tanong siya.
Why do they grocery today?
Of course. You want that, right?
Black me?
Mm-hmm. You want that, right?
Yeah. Blacking is more better.
Mag-vlogger, masiguro itong anak ko, guys. Paglaki niya. Ito naman, 245.50. Ito ang pinakamura nila. Rose. Ito, not bad din, 15 euros.
Really?
I love that.
I love that too.
Looks beautiful, right?
I love that
How much is that?
much.
You love that so much? Pag 650 daw siya, guys. Not bad. Pero mahal man. Uy, we have a lot of roses at home, baby love. You remember? Yan, coconut milk. Nagpabili ako 4.
Naya,
Yeah?
the flowers in the room
Is your-
Yes! Kiwi! Andito tayo sa bahay ni Bianan, guys. Kaya magtingin si Daniel kung may mga uo ba itong pusa ni Bianan. Kiwi! 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 Don't hold Kiwi, baby love, ha? Yeah, because she wants to play. Let's go to Papa. Let's go to Papa. If there's a lot of poop. Wala pa si Bianan, guys. Nasa bakasyon pa rin, sana all. Oh, kay bakit hindi pa man namatay itong mga rondondendro ni Bianan, guys? Yung amin ni Maricel, wala na. Bakit ka? Ito kaganda pa, oh. Yeah, yung amin kay nawala na talaga. Ay, tingnan nyo, ito. Iba din siya. Depende siguro. Tingnan nyo, ito rondondendron. Really?
Yeah.
You think so?
Yeah.
Bakit kaya Depende sa bulaklak. Ito naman meron pa pero papatay na din siya. Yung kay Maricel nga pati sa akin wala na, kaganda, guys. Wow.
Hello.
Hello, Papa. Where are you? Paano tayo pa garden tour sa garden ni Bianan? The poop, mahal? You have?
A lot of shit.
A lot of shit. Napag-utusan kasi tayo.
Shit.
Huy! You are right. Look, guys, here. Mga paano ni Bianan.
What is a lot of shit?
Na, what is that daw, guys? A lot of poop, baby love. Dito tayo daan.
Mama.
Be careful there. Tingnan natin kung na yung rose ni Bianan. Let's look at the rose of oh yeah, they're there. The rose, look. Wow, beautiful. Alam nyo, inggit si Bianan sa ay, Nathan, that's a lot of thorns. Inggit si Bianan sa rose ko, guys. Kasi yung rose ko, 'di ba, kalaki itong kanya, katagal-tagal na nito, ganyan pa rin siya, hindi talaga siya namumukadkad. Everyone, hubad. Hubad na siya. Mag-change kami.
Hi guys, welcome to the grocery store. Because what is this?
Chocolate?
For me and for Papa.
Buot-buot. And what else did we buy today?
The night trunk here for
Mhm.
me. Because I don't know.
What is that?
I don't know.
A meat?
The meat. The strawberry.
And what else?
My cocos.
Coconut milk.
Coconut milk. Coconut milk. Apples.
Apples. And for you,
Apple sop for making apple for making apple sop. Coco snap.
coconut. Cocos kasi yan dito.
Milk.
Coconut milk. Coconut milk.
Coco snap.
Coconut milk.
Coco
Gara ka eh.
Okay, coconut milk.
You are funny Our ulam for today is chancararan. Lutuin natin to. Puro tangkay. Kunti na lang po ang leaves. Ito na lang may leaves. Bicol Express with kangkong.
Coco's milk.
What did you say, bebe?
This is night Coco's milk.
That is for later after dinner, okay?
That's this one.
It says coconut milk with mango.
Yeah. Later. But why apple with banana is that?
You are right.
Yeah, that is apple and banana.
And there's mango there and apple. I don't know. Ito, ilagay natin to sa fridge. Si Nathan, ang kainin niya po mamaya, suba kilaw para sa kanya. Okay, hindi yan siya magkain ng guys. To,
Who's that apple tea?
apple tea.
Yeah.
Hindi yan siya magkain ng Bicol Express.
And this is chocolate.
Ay!
And this is chocolate.
Yes, that is chocolate. You are right.
Chocolate bar.
Ang dami na nating prutas. Meron tayong apple, melon, kiwi, and yung mandarin. Tapos meron pa sa fridge. Mamaya ko na yan ayusin dyan, guys. Unahin ko na muna to kay marinate ko yung karne para kay Nathan. Tapos yung natirang karne, gawin kong Bicol Express. Natikman ko kasi yan sa Davao. Nung huling-uwi namin, saan ba yun? Saan yun siya, guys? Nakalimutan ko na. Nagustuhan ko talaga ang kanilang kangkong. Kangkong lang yun, ha? Wala nga yung karne. Pero ginawa nilang Bicol Express. Bicol Express ba? Nilagyan ng bagoong. Yan ang lutuin ko mamaya. Pag nag-Bicol Express kasi ako, nilalagyan ko po talaga ng beans. Kasi mas gusto ni Daniel na magigulay. Yung sa atin, baya kay, di ba, pag Bicol Express, sili lang talaga, tsaka karne. Pero meron din na nakikita ko, naglalagay din sila ng ng beans. Ako madalas may beans. Baliktad ba? May beans po talaga na sobrang daming gulay. So ito, ilagay ko po ito lahat. Kaganda ng pork belly niya. Kaya doon ako bumili. Dito kasi masyadong manipis sa Lidl.
Have you
Ganda, di
rolled
ba?
up?
Po?
Have you rolled up?
No, you want to help me? You can cook rice with me if you want.
Yeah.
Okay. Then let's do that
I
together.
really make rice with you.
Oh, so sweet naman this bebe. Uy.
Oh,
Bebe love, how many brothers do you have?
two.
Who are they?
Baby Lucas at Alice.
Yeah. Lala niya pa talaga si Lucas, guys. Palagi yan. Tapos alam niya na nandyan si Lucas. Where is Lucas now then?
In Howard, I miss Lucas.
I miss him too, bebe. I love you. Pero alam niya na yung ni Lucas nandyan. Kaya magkiss-kiss man ako dyan minsan, guys. Magkiss-kiss din po si Nathan sa ni Lucas ba sa kanyang urn. Yan talaga ang buhay, guys.
Lucas.
Yeah, I miss him too, baby love. So much.
Yeah, and look. What says the last one? The last one, the 12.
It says 12 months plus. But you are 12 months plus. You are more than 12 months plus. You know when you were a baby, you always eat this. If Lucas is here, will you play with him?
And then I give him the night jacket.
You will give to Lucas?
Yeah. But
You will
the
share?
one with milk.
Oh, the one with milk. Yeah, because Lucas is still a baby, right? Lucas is almost
And
2
then
years
we
old.
will share together.
Aww, so
And
sweet,
then
brother.
I moved it for baby Lucas and for me. And then I
And who is your other brother, Bebe Love?
Daddy.
Derich.
Huh?
What is Derich? It's not just Derich. Who is your other brother?
Lucas.
And?
And yeah, Daddy.
Very good.
Why?
How about Kuya Derich? Do you miss Kuya Derich?
Yeah.
What do you miss about Kuya Derich then?
Playing board game.
Oh, playing board games together
Yeah.
with Kuya Derich. Oh, I miss him too. So much. I love you.
But they were a little bit mad at him.
Pag pinapagalitan ko si Derich sa Pilipinas ba? Why was Mama mad at Kuya Derich then?
Because he is not listening to you.
Yes. Sometimes he doesn't think. Just like you. Sometimes you don't listen to me, huh? You are funny. Not just Kuya Derich, but also you sometimes, you don't listen, ha?
Mama,
Po.
I want to go, Mama.
Po, mag-ano tayo sa birthday ni Lucas, no? Alam niyo, last year, ang ginawa po namin,
Where's my
po,
slippers?
I don't know, you want to go out? Ay, it's outside already.
Huh?
It's there. It's outside your sleeper. Ang ginawa namin last year, wala kami sa bahay. Ayaw po na nasa bahay pag birthday ni Lucas, guys.
Where?
Outside po, there.
Where is it?
Parang
Where is
tatay
it?
niya.
Where is it?
There, go there to the playground. Parang tatay niya, nasa ilong niya na, hindi pa makita. Nung huling birthday ni Lucas, guys, nasa Antwerp po kami. Kasi hindi ako mapakali pag nasa bahay, mag-isip-isip lang po ako. So ngayon, saan man tayo magpunta, ipalabas ko to. Ay, hindi pala ipalabas. Ipalipat ko tong mga nilabhan kay mga muyan sa luto natin. May nag-comment po na subscriber natin, si Tita Leonida, na daw, ka-birthday pala ng asawa niya si Lucas, guys. Shout out kay Tita Leonida. Nag-comment siya kanina kasi sinabi ko sa vlog natin, di ba, na ang birthday po ni Lucas ay June 27. At saka shout out din kay, nakalimutan ko. Ano nga pangalan mo, Day? Kaya nanonood siya sa atin din palagi. Naging kaibigan ko na siya ba, na din po siya dati, no? YouTuber din po siya, nag-YouTube din po siya dati. Si Windy. Hi, Day! Malaki ang mga karne. Ito lang lutuin ko, dalawa lang. Crispy ko talaga yan. Para yung magsarap siya ba, no? Ito naman, para bukas ko, breakfast ko yan. Parang kailangan pa natin magsinigang soon. Meron pa tayong radish dito. Alam niyo, grabe ang disiplina ko ngayon sa sarili. Kanina, nag-cake. Paborito ko ba yun? Hindi talaga kumain. Nag-bite lang ako. 2 bite kay Nathan. Nabuhay kaya si Lucas, guys. Ano kaya itsura niya, no? Kay grabe ba ang ilong niya? Siya talaga nakakuha ng ilong ni Daniel. At saka ng tatay ko. Si Daniel at ang tatay ko, parehas ang ilong. Ako kay rito ka lang. Joke. Simulan ko na to, guys. Ipa-crispy ko na muna itong aking pork. Huwag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Ilagay ko na yan lahat. Garlic, onion, and ginger. Maglalagay ako ng isang dried chili. Kasi lang, hindi ko masyado ang hangan ko. And syempre, yung ating bagoong. Hinugasan ko siya. Konti lang. First time kong nagluto nito, guys, na may kangkong ba. Kaya, tingnan na lang natin kung ano ang lasa. Kaya hindi din ako sure. And then, yung ating, bahala na kayo dyan, coconut milk. Ang gusto ko sa kanya, magmantika na siya. Tsaka ko po ilagay ang kangkong. Kailan lang buhay niyan, guys? Ganern ko siya gusto. Dalawang isip ako kung ilagay ko ba lahat ito, guys. Parang sobrang dami man. Baka mag-iba ang lasa ba? No? Tingin nyo. Rest niyan. I-adobo ko na lang yan bukas. Look at that. Yummy. Ilagay ko na nga. Lagay na natin lahat. Kapoy na. Mag-adobo-adobo pa ako bukas. Hala. Madami. Tanong ito. Meron pa parating. Yes?
Is the food now done?
I told you guys, almost 15 minutes and then your food is done. Boys! Food is ready! Bebe, it's ready! I have a surprise for you, look! Hindi ko na siya ginawang ano guys, iniba ko na lang, nagawa ko ng ano niya, sweet and sour na. What is that? Paborito niya. Yes! Hugas na siya kamay. Look! Wow! Yummy! Look at that, mahal. All the kangkong in the world. Enjoy!
Yeah. Then it's now for later.
Last night, mahal, you know, we were dating last night. You know what was our pulutan? What was our pulutan last night, mahal?
Kangkong salad.
Kangkong salad. Naginom kami ng wine at beer. Enjoy!
Yummy.
Everybody!
It's
makkelijk. I need to do this first. So, all the sauce in the world will be there too. And then, give me your... More. More sauce. Enjoy.
Selamat.
Is it yummy, bebe? Eat it with rice, ha? The pork with rice. Hindi ko na hinalo. Kaya gusto niya din to.
Yummy.
Good.
Nice and crunchy.
Yeah. No, I did not make it spicy. I only put one. Sige. So guys, tama na siguro no? Mga kabuang natin dito. Tantanan nyo na muna ako, ha? Bukas
Do we
na.
still have leaves?
Leaves? No more.
No more?
No.
So no more
Kangkong.
kangkong
Oh,
salad pulutan.
No. Thank you guys.
Good, right?
Wow.
I have a question.
What?
Why don't we really eat kangkong when we're in the Philippines?
Yeah. Why? Why daw tayo?
Because kangkong is super yummy.
Mama, look, Mama, what I make.
That. Yummy. Yummy, my love.
Yummy.
Gabi ka sarap, guys. Lutuin nyo to.
I know. When you watch this, send me a message. Tell me why we're not eating all the kangkong in the world when we're in the Philippines.
You want more, guys? Grabe ka sarap nito. Lutuin nyo good to. Ano yung Bicol Express na may... Ano ba yan? Na may kangkong. Stem lang ang nilagay ko, guys. Rice pa siya, oh. Ang isa dito. Nag-enjoy din. Are you also enjoying?